Hi there, my dear fellow Scorpio friends. Welcome to M. Duran 888 channel. I'm gonna do your monthly reading for the month of December. It is timeless and a general reading, so it will not resonate to all Scorpio. Just take all the positive messages and energy that will resonate in your situation and leave the rest behind. So if you will like my reading, please don't forget to comment below, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Love and light. Namaste. Let's start. Thank you. My spirit guides, what are your messages for our dear Scorpio friends for the month of December? My spirit guides, what are your messages for our dear Scorpio friends for the month of December? My spirit guides, what are your messages for our dear Scorpio friends for the month of December? Okay. Okay. My dear Scorpio friends, what's happening in here now? I strongly feel in here that for some of you is involved in a trouble. Yes, and it put into your life in a unsafe situation. Okay? Oh, I'm also Scorpio. That's why it give me a headache. Okay, as I've said, it's strongly popping in my mind that for some of you, I think you've done something. You're involved in a situation that put you into trouble or unsafe situation that it makes you sleepless at night, and for some of you makes you paranoid when you go out from your house, when you go to somewhere. You feel like someone is spying on you, watching on you, and wanted to do something bad up on you. Okay, right, okay. And so for some of you, try to win over it or try to sort out what is that situation, toxic situation that you were involved. Okay, try to sort that one out and try to finish it. Yeah, it's like it's an unfinished business that you need to pay attention and finish it. Okay, so that it will give you a peaceful mind. Yes, like you're scared in here. You have fear that one day someone is going to Jesus' name. Yes, I don't want to say that word, but please, if it's you, then try to. I feel like for some of you, is going to transfer to a new place to avoid that trouble that is bothering on you. I feel like you're so scared of your life in here. Okay, is it related to your job? Yeah. Be extra careful, okay? And be cautious as well with the people you are dealing with, okay? And if you've done it just because of money matters, but you knew that it's very dangerous to your life, no, Scorpio. You know that where most of us are spiritual warrior, and we want to have a quiet life, a quiet environment, and so for some of you really dreaming to go abroad, but you feel like you have no confidence of applying going abroad because you have fear of doing it, but you're dreaming to live in abroad. But I am telling you, Scorpio will be more successful, I think, because as what I have as what I have known, I searched before. Scorpio is more successful when they work, when they live in a foreign land. Don't know why it's yeah, like me, I'm here in Scotland, and I'm from Philippines, I never dream of going abroad before. I never. But there were, a lot of life experiences that I have decided to go abroad. Okay, so let's see in here. The bottom of the card. Oh my God. Oh my God. So, for the first time, I've seen this. First, you're involved in a third party relationship. That is three of hearts, and the two of heart is reversed. The other one is that. In this situation, you will not win it. You will not win it. You will be the loser. Okay? If you are married and involved in a third party relationship, you will be the one who will suffer most. Okay? You will be the one who will be affected most. Okay? And then the back of the card is a two of spade. This is a deceit, a break in a relationship. It's most quite likely an infidelity or separation. Okay, as I've told you, you will be the loser. Okay, that's why the beginning of the card, and it's in here, seven of seven of spade. That's the third card after this third party, after this separation, deceive, and break in relationship. And this is the third one, seven of spade, a loss. There's a big loss in here, and then this loss is really affecting you badly and obstructing your blessings, opportunities that is coming into your life supposed to be. Okay, my dear Scorpio. So, if it's still coming, then try to avoid it. This reading at this time, this is considered, this one is a warning card for you to know that that is that will really happen if you will be involved in a third party relationship. You will really suffer for years. Yeah, because it's just like a punishment. Okay, So let's see. Ah, mm, oh my God. And you see, let's see. Oh my God. Mhm. My dear Scorpio friends, I don't want to scare you, but I have to relay it to you, okay? I am just a messenger in here. I am also Scorpio, so I can feel it deeply, okay? So I am here to guide you, to give you an insight, okay? What to avoid, what to do, right? So I don't want to pretend that everything's okay. Okay? I have to tell you what the card is showing to you, to me, I mean, and to tell you, okay? And what my spirit guides wanted me to tell you, okay? In the past, you deal with, um, right, okay, in the past, okay, I have seen it in here that you deal with a very toxic, traumatic relationship and a situation as well. In the beginning, you enjoyed, I think, a material wealth. Okay, yes, because we are an ambitious individual. Yes. So, for some of you, um, you were tested spiritually, and you became weak. Okay, you knew that it was wrong to be involved in that toxic situation, but you still insisted and continue because of your ambition. I think in here it's about money that um, manipulated you to be involved in this tragic situation because of your ambition. Okay, but my dear fellow Scorpio, as a spiritual individual, if you will be involved in an evilness, in the end, you will ended up the loser, right? And also, it will take years for you to suffer and to carry that cross in your shoulder as a punishment for you. Karma will really hit you, okay? So that's in the past. And for some of you, you became ill, suffered from depression, put you into a big trouble. Yes, you became paranoid because of the malicious gossips, rumors about you, and then the other person. Yeah, I think it's more on a relationship issue, a romantic issue. I think you let yourself be involved in a third party relationship or in a job that there is stealing of money, corruption, that there are lots of lies that were exposed in here, which is you supposed not to, because as a spiritual individual, you shouldn't be telling lies. You should tell the truth. You should be involved in a positive situation. Okay? So that's your past. There was also a misfortune in here that happened. Okay? And up to now, I can feel that you're still um, dealing with it. Okay? This is your past, this is your present, and this is your future. Consciously, you feel like this opposition, these obstacles are just only temporary. Yes. Aside from you, you were, you are surrounded as well but by the people who are also having an anxiety attack, depressed, including yourself because you've been thinking too much of what's going on in your life, right? So, um, it here, it's all, you know. So, at present, there is a slow progress, okay, development, changes that is happening in your life, and even your romantic life is really your problem because you feel like no one likes you anymore. No one will love you genuinely because if the person will find out what have you done in the past, then that person will feel like you don't deserve. You feel like that. You're having a self pity now, my dear Scorpio. Okay, because of too much thinking negatively, then that makes you feel having a self pity in your life, and subconsciously I am telling you you're still very upset of what had happened to you in the past. But my dear Scorpio friends, let go of the past. That was your past. Try to change yourself. Try to change your try to change, be optimistic, and lesson learned. That was a big lesson for you, not to be engaged with negative situation. Just do the right thing, okay, and be happy and be contented what is presented to you. Okay, I know we are ambitious, but me as a Scorpio, what I want is it's just when I plan it will not happen, but I received more than what I want because that is really distant to me, right? Like for example, I don't want to go abroad. When I was young, I never dreamed of going abroad because I wanted to be with my family only, with my mom and dad. But look what happened. I'm here in abroad for how many years now? 28 years? Yes, I think 25 years. Yeah, because I am destined to be in here, in abroad. Mm. So in here, there is a temptation. Please stay away from temptation. Stay away from temptation. If you feel like you're happy doing with that, you are very wrong. You are very wrong. Karma is real. Okay? And it will be revealed to people. I know, don't mind others, but still it will affect you, your reputation, your dignity. Okay? So, your let's say your power, your influence, you will be dealing with legal issues in here. Legal arguments, legal issues, financially, romantically, and I've been told in here to watch your words as well. Do not be arrogant. Do not be conceited. Stay grounded, my dear Scorpio friends. Okay? Because if you want to be yourself only, I am telling you, there will there will be more blessings, there will be more success. Abundant life is knocking on your door. Okay? If you will do that, stay calm, stay grounded, be yourself, stay humble, okay? Your hardship will end that soon. It will end that soon. I'm telling you, it will really happen. And you know what? Please, most of us are spiritual warrior and prayer warrior. Believe the power of praying, okay? And believe the power of doing good things, okay? Stay away from jealous people, from jealous friends. For me, I better be alone or I better be in a small circle of friends, okay? Rather than being with a big circle of friends but backstabbing, jealousy, envy, gossiping. It just drained my energy. And for most, for some of us, well, yes, it's the family. Because you know what? For most of us, we are spiritual warrior. Scorpio, the master of mystery, the master of, I mean, the most psychic zodiac sign. Okay, so bad spirits, entities knew that we love our family. So for some of us, they are using our family to fight, to put us down, to put us into trouble. That's why most of the Scorpios are having family issues. Okay, no matter how you deal or help your family will not be contented, will say something against you, will fight against you because they are used by the bad spirits, the evil, the entities, yeah, to pin you down, to give you problem emotionally, spiritually, and physically. So with that, if that is your situation, stay calm, pray more, believe that God is just watching, and believe that everything is, there is a reason why it happened. Okay? Stay back, meditate, contemplate, and try to be on your own. Okay? And when you're ready, you will realize why it's the family is now fighting against you. Because, as I've said, evil, bad spirits, entities is going to use our family to give us problem. Yes? So, but they are just human being. Our family is just human being. Sometimes as well, they know why they have done that to us. Why your family is also wondering why you've been helpful to them, you blah blah blah, but still, why even them? Especially if your family is not a prayer warrior. Yeah? So there are weak souls. So the evilness, the bad entities, the bad spirits can use them. Yeah? This is a deep explanation spiritually and hope you will understand what I am trying to explain to you so that you will not wonder why your family, despite of your help, of your love, of your full support to them, they are still against you. Okay? Don't, well, yes, you will be hurt, but don't fight. Stay calm, pray, because God will do the rest. God will do the rest, and your spirit guides will do the rest. Okay? I'm not saying to do something, let your spirit guide do something bad to your family, but I mean, as I've said, it's really hard to explain spiritually about the connection, about, but just do what I have said. Calm down, cry if you wanted to cry, to to let the burden, I mean the hurt, I mean it's heartbreaking. So better to cry, yeah, so that after crying you will feel better, and then you can smile now, and then later on you will realize why. Okay, in here, let's go back. Legal issues, and someone, an air sign woman, who will be, oh right, this air sign woman, yeah, who will be gossiping about you is a family member, yeah, or a relative who is jealous of you. This is an Aquarius, Gemini, and a Libra woman, okay, who is older than you. Okay, it's either a sibling, a mother, a grandmother, an aunt, or a relative, a cousin who is really very jealous of you. It's a blind, a blood related. Yeah. And then your hopes and fears, there is a family issues in here. The Ace of Heart, this is a family card. So it's the heart is reversed. So with that, as I've said, most of the Scorpios have a family issues. And as I have said earlier on, our family is the one used by the evilness, because as most of us are spiritual warriors, isn't it? So we are having this spiritual battle, all right? So the entities is now using our family to fight against us, putting us down, giving us problem emotionally. But please don't fight, because it's still your family, and even them, they don't know why they have done that to you. Yeah. So as I've said, calm down, contemplate, meditate, right? And then ask for spiritual help. The final outcome after that situation, there is a positive, a message, okay, a positive change, a good message. It's about money. It's a positive money, my dear. This is from the divine, okay. This is not a dirty money. 10 of diamonds, okay. um you will receive this. Okay? And for those who are seeking for a relationship, for a marriage, you will get a ring for engagement. And for those who are planning for a business or a project, you will get a message of confirmation, a letter of approval that it is approved. Confirmation, yes. You will be making more money. Okay, that is your final outcome after you deal with this toxic situation. Um, you will be making more money. You will start new things in life, and you are now stepping into the right path. Yes, to try to be in a peaceful clean living environment and home life. Okay, in the future, it says in here, beware now of dishonesty and deceit. There you had already enough of dishonesty, lies, deceit. I mean, you've been deceived already in here, in your past. So beware of dishonesty and deceit in here. This is four of clubs. Avoid blind acceptance from others at that time, okay, because there is something big again that is going to happen badly. This is really a big warning card for you again, my dear Scorpio. So please, 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 okay? So be aware, trust your intuition, follow your instinct, okay? Let's see. I get more cards. Oh, wow. With that, if you will be able to avoid this um, blind acceptance from others, then there will be, okay, a big change of financial status that is going to happen in your life for the better. This is a money and travel card, ace of diamonds. I'm telling you, there is a big financial status that is going to happen into your life, and it's like sudden. Okay, see, there will be a business success in here. Good luck with money. Travel, 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 and you will meet your soulmate during your travel. Yeah, but I am not telling you that the first person that you are going to meet in your travel, that's the one. No, beware. As I've said in here, the four of clubs, beware of blind acceptance. As I've said earlier on, trust your intuition, follow your instinct, so that you will not make another big mistake in your life. Okay? There is someone that is going to be connected to you spiritually. This is a soul connection, and you will be having now an era of synchronicity. You know what I mean? So, as I've said, when if you will pass this life test again, yeah, for you, then see the synchronicity. Money and travel card, money, 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 and soul connection. Okay, another one. Let's see. Wow, I love this card. Wish fulfillment card. As I've said, era of synchronicity. After all those tragic, traumatic life experience that you passed. Okay? So again, in the future, you will be tested again. And as I have said, after those things, you will become more wise, more smart, okay? With faith and prayer with in your life, okay? Wish fulfillment card. Nine of hearts. Okay? My God, I'm telling you, you've been through a lot, my dear Scorpio friends. But in the end, you will be victorious. As long as you will be very extra careful now. Be more wise. Be more smart. Okay? Okay. Wow, you've got that. I love this. Your last three cards. the synchronicity. Okay, let's go to the tarot cards for more messages for you, my dear Scorpio friends, for the month of December. Okay, my spirit guides, what are your messages for our dear Scorpio friends for the month of December? Sorry. It was very heavy, intense reading the spread. But I do understand because I'm also Scorpio and I've been through a lot, I've been through a lot. The bottom of the deck, Knight of Cups. So yes, you are here now. It's a card of creative expression. It's a yes card associated. Oh, this is your card associated with Scorpio energy and aligned with planet, the moon, feelings and instincts. Your instinct, okay? So follow what you feel and trust your instinct, okay? And aligned to heart chakra, okay? Oh, wow. Romantic proposals, what I have said earlier on, isn't it? You will travel and there is a soul connection that is going to happen now. There will be an offers, invitations, and you have to follow your heart now. But see to it that it's a positive one, okay? Do not be involved with third party relationship now, okay? Do not be carried away with sweet talk. If you will meet someone, investigate first if that one is single or committed. Okay, do not, because it's not good hurting other feelings, Yes, you will be victorious if you will meet someone who is um already committed. Yes, you will say is not married yet, she is not married yet. So he or she can just choose you and leave the one that is not good. Okay, I know, I can read. Yeah, yeah. She's not, or he is not, or she is not married yet. I know, but you don't know the karma. If he or she did that to that long-term relationship that he or she had, then what will happen to you then? Yeah. So as I've said, just wait. God or the universe will send you someone who is not committed to anyone. Okay, even though if it's like opposite to the qualities you are looking for to the person, but you will really find out that there is a like the attitude. Yeah, yes, you will look for handsome, good looking, but player. What about if someone will presented to you, not a gorgeous, but with a beautiful heart, with a good attitude, a decent person? Then I will go to the second one. Yeah. In oh, you will be dating soon. Okay, for those who are single, and for those who are not committed yet. Oh wow, beautiful card, Four of Wands, community. It's a yes card associated with an Aries energy and aligned to planet Venus, which is love and pleasure, and aligned to throat chakra. Happy families reunion coming home. There is a celebration in here that you are going to attend. There will be a success and a prosperity go that will be presented in front of you. Three of Cups, friendship. I can feel it in here that for some of you, if you will meet someone, then it's true friendship first, then it will lead to a romantic relationship. Oh, it's a yes card. I can now smile. It's a yes card associated with Cancerian energy aligned to Mercury. Planet Mercury, which is the communication and the mentality. So, mentality, be smart, be wise. Okay? And aligned to third eye chakra. So, trust your intuition now. There is a celebration in here. Wow. As I've said, there is a wedding engagement that is going to happen soon. A real happiness, a true happiness. And for some of you is celebrating, is having a baby shower party. Happy times is in the card. Okay. Okay, my dear Scorpio friends, let's see what is the advice from the angel cards for you for the month of December. Okay, let's see what's. Oh my God, I've seen already the main card, and it's a beautiful card. I'll tell you later. Ten of Fire. Ten of Fire. Too much work. Accept help from others. Life is out of balance. Stress-related health concern. Oh, as I've said, please, because before I have told you for some of you is suffering from depression, stress, sleepless nights. Please stay away from depression because the evil spirits love to possess those who are stressed. I mean, those who are depressed. Remember, those who were possessed were had history of severe depression, and you are a spiritual person. So if you will be depressed, then you will likely be attracting negative energy. So please, and try to balance your life, work and have some days off, and try to be well rested, have an enough sleep. Okay. Um, the main card, I've seen it already. The Magician, number one. This is a beautiful card. Archangel Rachel, you are ready now to conquer, right? Life, you have the resources, you have all the resources that you are going to use. You have the tools, okay? You are strong enough, you are wise, you are intelligent, you are you have the ability to manifest what you want in life. Life is magical. Remember that. Okay, that is a beautiful message for you. Very strong, powerful message for you. Remember, life is magical, my dear fellow Scorpio. Let's see what is the animal spirits guide message for you. Okay, my dear Scorpio friends, for the month of December. The main card, the bottom of the cards, Seven of Winter. Magpie, caution will help you avoid the loss of valuables, including non-material resources such as time or peace of mind. See? Be aware of the result of your actions, as well as what others might be doing behind your back. Mm. That's what I am telling you, my dear Scorpio friends. So have peace of mind, have sleepless, have a good enough sleep, okay? Because with that, you will, your mind will be powerful, and you will really feel and know what's going on in front of you, and you will be aware if it is really a warning or like again a life test for you. 11 strength, beautiful. Masai lion and a lamb. True strength is displayed through kindness, forgiveness, and compassion. You have tremendous personal power and courage. That is. Let's see, for those who are seeking messages for their job, career, or business. Let's see what is the card. Is oh, 2 minutes pa tingnan. Okay, let's see. All right. Bottom of money matters. Wow, money, money, money. Money matters a lot now. Watch your expenses and save up for the future. You need to be prepared for the unexpected. That's right. The main card is adventure. That's us. We are adventurous, you know. You make exciting work moves that could take you outdoors or on a trip. You will need to climb steadily to reach your financial goals. That's beautiful. And for those who have one question in your life, in your mind, that seeking for a yes or no answer, then think about it now. Okay. So if you like this reading, please don't forget to comment below, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Okay, the bottom of the deck is it's a yes card. Wow. The best medicine, getting the real scoop. That's right. Oh, wow. Double yes. It's a big confirmation. Do it now. If you want to do something, do it now. It's a perfect timing for you to do it now. Make a splash, deep dive, flowing easily in your life. Beautiful. Anyway, thank you so much, my dear fellow Scorpio. Good luck in your life journey. Thank you. Thank you. Love and light. Namaste.